Zero and the Search for Effective Zen. Episode 1. Introducing the series. What if everything you thought you knew about Zen was just a warm-up act? Meditation? Sure. Mindfulness? Of course. But what if there's a deeper, more precise way to approach the Zen path? One that's not about vague enlightenment slogans or sitting in silence for hours, hoping for wisdom to smack you in the face. Enter zero. Not the number. Not nothingness. But the key to understanding how Zen actually functions. This series is about one thing: dissecting the Zen path through the teachings of Joshu Sasaki and his radical focus on zero. If Sasaki, after 50 years of teaching, landed on zero as the thing worth focusing on, there's probably a reason. And that's exactly what we're going to find out. What makes an effective Zen path? How do we separate real Zen training from spiritual guesswork? How does zero apply to everything, from your meditation practice to the way you experience reality itself? Each video in this series will break down the principles of Sasaki's teachings. Step by step, no fluff, no mysticism. Just practical, tested insights on what actually works. So the real question isn't what is zero? It's why haven't you been using it yet? So for the next episode, what do we mean by an effective Zen path?